Morning children, welcome to MBM classes. In the previous video you saw how to add and subtract the fractions. Today let us see how to multiply fractions. Now let me show you how to multiply the fraction by a whole number step by step. This is case 1. Now here 2 by 7 is a fraction. This fraction we are going to multiply by a whole number. 3 is a whole number. So the first step is, first you have to write 2 by 7 multiplied by 3 is written as 3 upon 1. Step 2, there are no numbers to be cancelled. So what you are going to do, step 2, will be multiplying the numerator, that is 2 into 3, and multiplying the denominator 7 into 1. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6 and 7 into 1 is equal to 7. This is third step. So you are having 3 steps. First step, whenever a whole fraction is multiplied by a whole number, you have 3 steps. Step 1, the whole number is written as a fraction as 3 upon 1. Second step, multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. Step 3, whatever you have multiplied, write the answer. That is 2 into 3 is equal to 6 and 7 into 1 is equal to 7. Hope you have understood how to multiply a fraction by a whole number. Let me show you one activity. This is an activity done. So how can you write this shaded portion? Totally you are having 3 portions. Out of its 2 portions are shaded. So the fraction is 2 by 3. Here also it is 2 by 3 and here also it is 2 by 3. So how many times 2 by 3 you are having? You are having 4 times 2 by 3. So this is nothing but 4 can be written as 4 upon 1. So you multiply the numerator. 4 into 2 is equal to 8 and it is equal to 8 upon 3. You can also do a small project like this for your school project work, which shows the multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. Now let me show some more examples how to multiply a fraction by a whole number. So some more examples to multiply a fraction by a whole number. This is case 1. First, second one is 7 into 1 upon 8. So this can be written as 7 into 1 upon. So this first write 7 as 7 upon 1 into 1 upon 8 and 7 into 1 upon 1 into 8. So this is equal to 7 upon 8. Coming to the second sum. First write 8 as 8 upon 1 into 2 upon 15. So this is equal to 8 multiplied by 2 upon 1 into 15. So this is equal to 16 upon 15. Now moving on to the next sum. 4. This is a mixed fraction. So wherever you see a mixed fraction, first you have to convert it to improper fraction. So in the previous video, I told you how to convert mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So first you had to multiply these two. 4 into 9 is 36. 36 plus 7 is 43. So 43 upon 9 into 12 upon 1. Now before simplifying, instead of multiplying 43 into 12 upon 9 into 1, first you have to check whether any numerator or denominator is getting cancelled. I cannot cancel numerator and numerator or denominator and denominator. I can cancel only the number of the numerator and the number in the denominator. So now if I am going to check, I am able to see that 9 and 12 is coming in 3 table. So I can write now as, I can write it as 3 3s are 9 and 4 3s are 12. Now after cancellation, I can see I cannot cancel any more numbers. So I will multiply the numerator, that is 43 into 4, and the denominator, that is 3 into 1. So this can be further written as 43 into 4 is 172 upon 3 into 1 is 3. Again, if you can simplify and write it as mixed fraction, you can write 5 3s are 15, 22 7 3s are 21. So 57 1 upon 3. So it is always convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. First step. Second step, if you find any numbers getting cancelled, that is cancellation, you have to take care that you have to cancel only a numerator and a denominator. So after cancellation, multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. Final answer always express in mixed fraction. Next one, here 2 1 upon 10. Again it is a mixed fraction. So first convert this into improper fraction. 10 into 2, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. So this can be written as 21 upon 10 multiplied by 15 upon 1. Now second step, see any number is getting cancelled. You can see 15 and 10 was in 5 table. So I can write 3 5s are 15 and 2 5s are 10. After seeing the numerator and denominator, no numbers are getting cancelled. So this can be further simplified as 21 into 3 upon 2 into 1. So this is 21 into 3 is 63 upon 2. This can be written in mixed fraction as 3 2s are 6, 1 2 is 2. So 31 1 upon 2. Hope you understood how to multiply a fraction by a whole number. Either simple fraction by a whole number or mixed fraction by a whole number. In both the ways, you should know how to do the cancellation and how to multiply. And one more important thing you have to remember, there is no LCM for multiplication. This you have to remember because most of you make mistake in this. So you write it and keep it in your copy. There is no LCM for multiplication. I will not take any LCM for multiplication. Most important point in multiplication of fractions. We will move on to some more sums, which is evaluate 2 by 3 of x for x is equal to 27. So wherever you find x, replace the value of x by 27. So this you can write 2 by 3 multiplied by 27, and this 27 can be written as 27 upon 1. So now I can cancel 3 and 27. So 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. So nothing has to be cancelled now. So I will write 2 into 9 upon 1, which is equal to 18. Now moving on to the second, 1 by 4y for y is equal to 36. So now the value of y is replaced by 36. So 1 by 4 y, so which is equal to 1 by 4 into 36. 36 is written as 36 upon 1. So now I can cancel 4 1s are 4, 9 4s are 36. So you multiply the numerator 1 into 9 upon 1, which is equal to 9. So hope you understood how to replace the value of x and y when the values are given. Now next, here you are going to compare the fractions. Given 7 is bigger or 28 into 2 by 7 is bigger. So before comparing, let me simplify the fractions. Check whether you can cancel. So I can cancel over here 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28. Without simplifying and getting the final answer, I cannot compare. So do the simplification wherever you can do the simplification. So now 4 2s are 8. On comparing, I see 8 is the bigger number. So you can write, put the sign like this, greater than, that is greater than sign. So now 28 into 2 by 7 is greater. Again coming over here, this 8 can be written as 8 upon 1 and 8 1s are 8, 4 8s are 32. So now you compare 3 by 4, again 3 by 4. So both the fractions are equal. So whenever there is more than one number, first simplify the operation and then compare the fractions. Let us move on to case 2. That is, we are going to multiply fractions by another fraction. See here 3 by 4 is one fraction and 1 by 2 is another fraction. So how I am going to do it? Step 1, I am going to write 3 by 4 into 1 by 2, and step 2 there is no numbers to be cancelled. So I am going to write multiply the numerator. Step 2 3 into 1 upon 4 into 2. Now step 3, 3 into 1 is equal to 3 and 4 into 2 is equal to 8. And this is a proper fraction which is already in the simplified form. So we cannot simplify further. So this is our final answer. So this is case 2. In case 1 we are multiplying by a whole number. In case 2 it is again a fraction. This 3 by 4 is a fraction and 1 by 2 is also a fraction. So whenever first step 1 is to write it as it is. So before moving on to step 2, you see whether any number to be cancelled. There is no numbers getting cancelled. So we will multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. So after getting the answer, it is a proper fraction. So when you have proper fraction, there is nothing to be simplified. See how a multiplication of a fraction is shown by a figure. 1 by 2 of a figure circle is divided into 3 equal parts. So this equal parts I can show it by 1 by 3. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 6. Now this circle is divided into 6 equal parts. So this is more clear through the figure. More examples of case 2, that is multiplying a fractions by fractions. First one, 8 by 15 into 5 by 16. So as I said, first step is always to check whether the numbers are getting cancelled. Here you are able to see 5 and 15 are going in 5 table. So I can write 5 ones are 5, 3 5s are 15. Similarly 8 and 16, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So second step, multiply the numerator. 1 into 1 upon 3 into 2. So which is equal to 1 upon 6. Now 1 upon 6 is a proper fraction. So I had to leave the answer as it is. Moving on to the second sum. So here 5 and 40 can be cancelled. 5 ones are 5, 8 5s are 40. Again 26 and 39. So you should be thorough of tables. So 26 and 39 is in 13 table. So 2 13s are 26 and 3 13s are 39. So you can multiply the numerator. 1 into 3 upon 2 into 8. This is equal to 1 upon 16. Again it is a proper fraction. So I leave the answer as it is. Now moving on to the second type. Here it is mixed fraction by mixed fraction. So you know whenever there is a mixed fraction, we have to convert it into improper fraction. So first let me convert this 2 3 upon 8 as improper fraction. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 3 is 19 upon 8 into 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 1 is 26 upon 5. Now let us check whether the numbers are getting cancelled. So this is 8 is 4 2s are 8 and this is 13 2s are 26. So now there is nothing to be cancelled. So I will write 19 into 13 upon 4 into 5. Is equal to 247 upon 20, which can be further written as mixed fraction as 12 7 upon 20. So let us move on to the next sum. 1 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So it can be written as 3 upon 2 multiplied by 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12 upon 5. Is there any number to be cancelled? Yes. 2 1s are 2. 6 2s are 12. So this can be written as 3 into 6 upon 1 into 5. So this is equal to 18 upon 5 in mixed fraction. 3 5s are 15. Remainder 3. So it is 3 3 upon 5. After writing you have to check 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3 18. So I am getting 18 upon 5. You have to cross check it also whether you have written correctly in the mixed fraction. We are having 3 fractions over here. 2 into 4 upon 5 into 1 2 upon 3. So this can be written as 2 into 4 upon 5 into 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 2 5 upon 3. So there is no any number to be cancelled. We can cancel 5 ones are 5. Again 5 ones are 5. So it is 2 into 4 upon 3 which is equal to 8 upon 3 or 2 3s are 6 2 2 upon 3. Again I told you to cross check. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 upon 3. Moving on to the next sum. This is a mixed fraction. So let me convert. 7 into 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So it is 9 upon 7 into 3 upon 1 into 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 5, 17 upon 8. Is there any number to be cancelled? No. So I can write it as 9 into 3 into 17 upon 7 into 8. This is an improper fraction of 2, 5 upon 8, which is equal to 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 5 is 21 upon 8. So now I can cancel. 7 1s are 7. 7 3s are 21. So this can be further simplified and written as 9 into 3 into 3 upon 8, which is equal to 81 upon 8. Or this can be also further simplified as So now this can be further simplified as 10 1 upon 8. Hope you understood how to multiply a fraction by a whole number and fraction by another fraction. These are the real life example questions. Please do these questions. Your multiplication by fractions will be clear. Please do these questions. These are all very good questions.